Hey everybody, welcome back. This is L&D Adventures once again with another cooking adventure. I was on PJ's Lounge last night and somebody asked me, Drew, what are you going to cook next? And I told them I had a special recipe for chicken. So I have my Vegas apron with the price tag that I forgot to take off, but I'm going to leave it on anyway, what the hell. And today I have my Monte Carlo Las Vegas hat. Now I bought this maybe 2 years before they started to remodel it. And I wanted to get something to remember the Monte Carlo by, because we used to go there all the time. I mean, that was I think, how many times did we stay there, Lisa?
I don't know, maybe like 10.
We probably stayed there 10 times. We loved the Monte Carlo. We were so upset. So now we go to Mirage all the time, but we still love the Monte Carlo. So today I'm going to be preparing you what I call Drew's chicken. So here are the ingredients. I just have to flip the screen down 1 second. Okay, so these are the ingredients. We have Kikkoman roasted garlic teriyaki sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's original award-winning barbecue sauce. Now you could buy any kind of original barbecue sauce you want. Sometimes I use hickory smoked barbecue sauce because it gives a little more flavor. So if those of you that like hickory smoked barbecue sauce, you can use that. So here is the special ingredient right here. This is Aso sauce. Now Aso sauce is only sold in the Northeast. So Anastas 617, A Good Times Production, and S&S will know about Aso sauce because they're all from New England like us. But you can order this online. Just go Google it, and trust me, this stuff makes really good spare ribs, really good pork chops, pork ribs. I mean, it's amazing. It's a small jar, but it's really good. So when I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna put all my chicken into a Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna put all these ingredients in there, and I'm gonna marinate this probably overnight, because the longer you marinate it, the better it tastes. So it's probably around 5 o'clock in the afternoon here now, and I'm gonna take it out tomorrow afternoon and cook it for you. So we'll be back in a minute. Thank you. Okay, here we are. Alright, so this is what I use. I use boneless, skinless chicken thighs, because they're relatively inexpensive and they have white and dark meat, so they'll taste a little better. So here we go. I'm going to throw this into the bag. Oh, I washed my hands before I did this. Just make sure they kind of spread out a little bit. You don't want them closed when you put them in there. So I'm just going to rinse off my hands for a quick second. I'll be right back. So, now the hands are rinsed off. Now we're going to add Aso sauce. Oh. It's kind of red, so you have to be careful, because it really gets, like, if you spill on your counter, it's gonna be red as heck. So take this and you pour it in there. Try to get as much as you can. It's only an 11-ounce jar, so it's pretty small, but it's potent. And if you have a brush, you can actually like brush this onto pork ribs or pork chops or chicken and bake it in the oven, or put it on the grill. Trust me, I wish you could smell this stuff. It's amazing. Okay, so there's that. Now we have the barbecue sauce. Kind of like Baby Ray's. It's got a little spout, so you just like squirt it on there. That's enough. Okay. Now, this stuff is potent, so don't use a lot of it. Whew. It smells good. So just a little bit, just a tad. Just a little bit. And that's it. Not too much, let's just have a plop. Okay. Now, of course, if you need to refrigerate any unused portions, so it's like I did before, you seal the bag. And just shake it up a little bit. Now, you can add more after the fact if you want, if you don't see what you like. Nice and red, see? Nice and red. I like everything red, as you can see. So there we go, this is it. It's pretty good. Just make sure it's pretty much mixed up, because you really want to mix the ingredients up, because when you cook this, you want to cook it slow. Then when it's done, it's a flavor explosion. It's so good. Okay, so now I'm going to put this into my refrigerator. I'm going to let this marinate overnight. And we'll come back tomorrow. And I guess that we'll see you tomorrow afternoon when I bake it. Because like I said, we don't have a grill here. Okay, everybody. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Thumbs up. Like, subscribe, comment. And love you all again. I can't repeat all the people I repeated last time, but we love you all. We're waiting for more vlogs to come out after the March trip you guys are going on, and we're gonna watch all of them. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great night. Bye. Okay, everybody. Here we are again. It is just after 5 o'clock on Saturday. These have been marinating for about 24 hours. So I'm going to take them out. It's a little messy, so you gotta be careful. There's a lot of them here too, so layer them in the pan. Try to get them all in there. This is the only size pan we use right now. So put them as close together as possible. These are even better on the grill if you slow cook them. I mean, it's just, if you put them in the oven at like 325, which I'm going to do, it's going to be fine. I have one extra one I'm going to squeeze in there. I'm going to rinse off my hands. Hold on. Okay, so everything is in the pan. See how the Ziploc bag. A little spot, not too bad. I only made one little spot of soy sauce on the counter. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, sorry about that. My neighbor knocked on the door for a second. So here's the finished product. And my camera is steaming up because the friggin', wow, that's weird. The camera was steaming up because of the heat coming from the oven. So, had to take it off. Don't want to ruin my camera. But here is the finished product. Alright, that's the chicken. Alright, so I'm going to put this into the oven. So here we go. I'm going to open the oven up. Flip this down. Okay. So this is a 350 degree oven. 325, sorry. Put the light on. So this is a 325 degree oven. You just cook it to your liking. I usually leave it in here about an hour and a half. So we'll see you guys in about an hour and a half. Okay? Bye. Okay, everybody, here is the finished product. Just got out of the oven. I gotta turn off the oven. Forgot to. Hold on. Okay. Making some yellow rice. Again, because I love yellow rice. So I'm gonna let this cool down, let the rice finish, and I'm gonna plate it up. As you see, I'm telling you, when you bite into this, it's a flavor explosion with the aso, the barbecue sauce, and the roasted garlic teriyaki. It's absolutely delicious. At least I think so. Okay, everybody. We will see you in a bit. Okay? Vegas apron. Alright, bye. Thanks. Okay, here we go. This is Drew's chicken that I showed you earlier in the video. And of course I have yellow rice. So it's plated up. So now I'm going to eat it. But before I go, I just want to say thank you for joining me on another cooking adventure. I know it's not Las Vegas. Believe me, we want to go there. But we can't. I'm trying to look at the lens in the camera, not the screen, but I can't help it. But once again, thank you so much for joining us on this cooking adventure of ours. And hopefully our next vlog will be in Vegas. I hope. Alright, everybody. Have a great night. Thank you. Bye.